Da, da, da. Am I in focus?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back. Or should I welcome myself back?
I say this every video, oh my goodness. Anyways,
we will be customizing Cdg Custom Af1. Yes, the Richie custom way. I see a lot of people did this custom, but they like to freehand it or use tape. Oh well, I'm gonna show you all how to put your stencil cutter to use, whether you're using Cameo, Cricut. I'm gonna show you all how to do it the smooth, professional Richie Custom way. Thank you all for watching my videos. It's an honor to me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Peace.
Step 1, let's go to Google and find the correct logo, and we will export it to our Silhouette Cameo program or whatever program you're using for your vinyl cutter. Most importantly, your shoes should be acetone. Please don't forget to acetone your shoes before starting this process. Thank you.
Got my head down, am I dead now? Am I bad now? I keep on having all these dreams. Yeah, gotta watch my cup cause it's not clean. Yeah, can't fall in love cause it's not what it seems. But I feel head down.
So yeah, I'm trying my best to show you all how the vinyl will look once it's cut, but I think you all get the idea of what it will look like. I'm trying my best, bear with me. Anyways, let's go. Next step. Now let's place the stencils on the shoe. Place them wherever you would like. Please make sure you take your time. You could make this process a little bit easier by using transfer paper. I don't know why I didn't right here. You are about to see me transfer into using transfer paper. Oh, that was a good one. I used that one. Correct. Here you go. Ah.
Just to cover my head from the rain, because I walk around with my head down.
This is how the shoes will look once you place your stencils. I didn't put it on camera, but I did tape up the shoes where I didn't want paint to get on. So here you will see I put paint on the bottom and paint also around the vinyl in between the spaces where I don't want the paint to be. We only want to paint the logos only. Please be aware that this process takes time. It's not quick like the other videos that's freehanding, because Richie Customs does everything the perfect way. Even though nothing is perfect, I like to get close. Yeah!
All the struggle and the pain got me walking in the rain with my head down. Am I dead now? Am I bad now? I keep on having all these dreams. Yeah, gotta watch my cup cause it's not clean. Yeah, can't fall in love cause it's not what it seems. But I feel head down, I feel let down.
Okay, now the shoes are all painted. It is very rare that you won't have to do touch-ups, but you should try to limit. I am going over the logos with white, black, and red to make this custom look so good. So good.
On my own, what it feel like. Now I see what getting killed like. I hope you see what it feel like. Did she wrote me a note? It was like murder. Murder she wrote. Like murder she wrote. Got my head down. Am I dead now? Am I bad?
This is the last time you all will hear my voice until the next video. So once again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tune in because we will have a giveaway coming soon.
I'm breaking laws, hoping they don't come and get me. You witness my pain, you coming with me. Next time I'ma watch my back like I'm Ricky.